Hi everyone, Forrest here with Honey Pots Zone 5, and it is winter. And today we are going to do a Dollar Tree haul for our garden stuff or garden-like things. You know, I really have fun doing these. I have a really good time and enjoy the heck out of it. But first, I wanted to tell you guys about my roses here. I buy these for myself. I've been doing it for some time. It all started, gosh, quite a while back. You know how when we're hoping someone will care about us or be nice or do something nice for us and we get hurt or we get our heart broke, and that hurts. I mean, that really does hurt bad. I bought myself one single rose and I set it next to my bed so that when I woke up, I would see this rose and I would tell myself, because you're worth it. You're worth the Cadillac of flowers. So, and I would look at how perfect that rose was and how beautiful it was, and appreciate that, and in turn appreciate myself where someone else failed to do that. So evidently I'm in need of some roses right now, so I got myself some roses to let myself know that I was worth it. So everyone out there, male, female, you know, whatever, treat yourself kindly. You know, give yourself a break. And if you want roses, if you want chocolates, my cats are crazy. I have a new cat. Get it for yourself and do those dollar store buy things and stay away from music for a while. That's bad stuff when you're trying to heal. Okay, so anyways, let's get on with this. First things first, I know this is kind of boring getting these trays, but they have these lids with them. Okay, so y'all seeing what I'm seeing? Little greenhouses, and this is what I like to plant my alyssum in. I plant so much of it, and I've got several pans here. I've got 3, and this should contain all the alyssum seeds that I bought, hopefully, which that will be great. I also found some, oh my god, my cats are going nuts, found some of these liners, and I got 3 of the big ones in a pack, 4 per pack, and then 6 per pack of these small ones, which these can get kind of pricey if you get the really thick ones. But I'm going to kick you guys out. You know, I got several of these, and I'll just keep them around when I need a liner or one gets busted or whatever, because that's a really good deal on those. My next thing that I got 2 more of these scoop things. I love these things. I think this is 6 now total that I bought, but these have come in handy. I've used them for bird seed. I've used them for sand for my driveway, for the wood stuff that I put in my driveway. It's in my outdoor thing. Wood pellets that I burn. I have a wood pellet burning stove, and you put it in your driveway and it does melt the ice and snow. It's a little bit slow, but it does work, and it is all natural. The wood ash for after I burn it. The other thing, I bought another one of these. These are like super duper handy. I have them with some of my soil, and use them to scoop the cat litter box out with. I mean, this is huge, and for like $1 you could replace it all the time and not have to worry about cleaning that cat thing. I got some twine. I think I've got 2 of these, but I think I put the other one in my wreath bag. I'm going to make a wreath for my entry door off of my driveway. And it's like, I've got like a screen door and then my door, so I don't have a lot of room, so I can't have anything really big. But let me show you what I'm going to do. Got this. Yay! And then I found like this shovel, and this is like one of the colors I use. in my decorating, so I thought that was cool. And I also have the sprayer. I did get this to use to see if it was any good. You know how these break every year, no matter how much you pay for them. But I thought, you know, this might work on my wreath somehow. I could like do that over here. And then I got these lights. They're like, can you see that on the box? They're like leaves, green leaves. And then some plant stakes, and I thought I would write like really cool on a Sharpie, you know, different plant types or names, and do something fun with that. And then I got some more twine to help tie this together. I thought using that would look pretty cool. And then I found this red burlap ribbon. See, doesn't it look pretty together? I think that'll look really neat. And then I found, right, I'm not going to put the wind chimes on the door. That would drive me bonkers, especially if the wind blew and started banging them on the door. And yes, our wind does get that bad here. But I thought I would take like this hook off and the chimes off, and then use the ladybug somewhere on this wreath. So what do you guys think? Pretty cool? No? But I thought that would be fun. One other thing I got, I've been redoing my kitchen. And this really isn't for gardening, but I thought these were really cool. See, there's that green again that I use, green and red, love it. But I thought for my flour and my sugar and all my baking good stuff, I can put in these containers that I found and help keep my cabinets organized. I thought that would be really cool. Okay, that is it for this garden haul. I know, they didn't have a whole lot. I was rather sad. They were bringing in Easter already and kind of pushing this stuff to the side, so I was like, well, let me get in there and get some stuff. I had gotten some seeds from them, and I did email the company, I think it was called American Seed Company, and they are owned by Ferry Morris, I believe it is. I never heard back from them because I wanted to find out about these seeds, you know, if they were something that I could use in my organic garden or not. I don't know if they were treated or not, and where they came from. So I might add those seeds to my wreath, the seed packets to the wreath. They kind of don't go color-wise, but I'll try them out and see how they look, see if they look cute on my wreath on my door. So, but that's that on the seeds. I never heard from them on it, so I don't know. Oh well. Okay, you guys, you have a great day. Winter is like, it's moving on, you know, and you know, if winter's here, you know, spring will be soon to follow. So you have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.